Getting some new tires put on it. Yeah, you know how we do. Anyway, the rears are done, as you guys saw in the other video. And we're gonna get the fronts done. We're gonna put some Continentals in the front. A little bit better grip in the front. Yep. I don't know if I've shown you guys that little LS, little 3D printed thing for my kid. Pretty cool little project. I'll show you more of that another time. But for now, I got the new set of front tires and Continentals on the front end. Nothing crazy. 205 55 16s. And we're going to be putting on some Tredwear, just like we did the other tires in a little short. Put a little link, or actually I'll just flash back to that right here. Bada bing, bada boom. My cool letters. So, in comes Tredwear. A little more. Little bit more. Getting close. And boom. Alright, so we're going to do that, but we're going to do that on the front now. Different offset. Actually, no, it's the same offset, different size tire. It does look a little bit different. But in case you guys didn't know, these are matching offset wheels. It's just a matter of how you set your car up. And they do look a little bit different, but they do look good. Doing an update on my Fox wheel over here for the BMW. It's got some updates to do. Really nice unit, guys. If you don't have one, get one if you have a BMW or Mini or anything like that. But yeah, they do require some updates, but as you can see, they go pretty quickly, and it's a really nice system. We're gonna go ahead and get to work and get these tire letters on. Probably do a little time lapse, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Yeah. Anyway. There's some play in the bearing there, guys. Gotta fix that. Got grease. I have been hearing a slight noise when I'm going around the corners to make it a right, which means it's my left set of bearings. So, might as well check it while I'm in here, yeah? Alright. We're just going to check preload. Verify it hasn't changed. I don't see why it would. Doesn't make sense. Okay, so the tire letters are on. Can't talk. Been a long night. Anyway, that only took a couple hours, maybe 2, something like that. Yeah, the time lapse helps, so you're welcome. But anyway, that was cool. As you saw when I was putting on the passenger front, there was a little bit of play in that front bearing, so I went ahead and repacked that with some grease. It was a little bit dry and a little bit burned. So I did pop that apart and put some grease back in there, retorqued it, put a new cotter pin, all that good stuff, wobbled it around. Seemed to be a little bit happier, but the only way to really find out is when I drive it. It was making a little bit of noise, like I said, so just gonna go from there. Don't want to overanalyze it, because if it ain't that one, it's that one, and I gotta press that one out, and that's just another reason to go ahead and get a press, because I gotta get those cow tracks on. Anyway, with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this video from here. Yeah, it was cool doing those letters like I said, but next is taking you guys along for a ride. I've taken it for a few rides. It's awesome. Video sucked. I'm sorry, the audio sucked. Mics are coming tomorrow, so hopefully it's in good weather. Anyway, oh yeah, different shirt, different day. My phone died, so sorry about that. But anyway, it is what it is, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Anyway.